Hey guys, welcome back. It's another episode of Weekly Outlook, and I'll recap the trades I have taken the previous weeks. So let's get into this. So next week we have here news calendar, and Monday we have a one medium news impact, and Tuesday we have a 4 medium impact news event, and Wednesday we don't have any news event, and Thursday we have the high impact New Zealand at 8, half 8, and 10 and 6 o'clock we have 2 medium impact New Zealand. So Friday, 1 high impact New Zealand. So in my opinion, Monday it's not gonna be so much the volatile day because it's a beginning of the week and also no high New Zealand. So in my opinion, I think it could be the weekly duty swing could occur on Monday. On Tuesday, it could be a decent volatile day for the market. And the Wednesday, I suspect that it's going to be an inside day due to Thursday. There's a 2 high impact New Zealand. So it could be kind of the choppy day. And Friday it could be continue the trading day. So here is the weekly chart, and what we see here, there's a really clean relative equal lows sell side liquidity, and also underneath that weekly bearish, oh not bearish, sorry, and bullish weekly fair value gap. So my point of interest is that sell side liquidity, the relative equal lows, and I think the most probably the market trade to that the sell side liquidity. It's so clear, and also underneath that there's the weekly fair value gap. So here daily chart, I didn't highlight that this inversion fair value gap, and after it inverts that we see it formed another the CB, which is the bearish fair value gap. On Friday, the price just trade into that and CB. So in daily chart we see these lows is really clean. Yeah. So in 4 hour chart we see there the bearish breaker. I highlighted in the white color. So if the market is staying below this bearish breaker, also this 4 hour CB, I would be interested in the taking short position to that the sell side liquidity. So that's all for the opinion for the next week. So now let's recap some of the trades I have taken previous week. And lately I've been a little bit busy because I'm gonna visit to my country in September. So I got to buy some stuffs for my family, and on Wednesday, 13th of August, I didn't take any trades. I was shopping. So after 14th of August, and I've taken 2 trades, which were 2 of them losing trades. And here we see the transactions. It's 14th, and yeah, I lost exactly the amount of the money on both trades. So it was just 19 points of loss. That's just that this week I I took just one trade on 14th. For the following week, I have taken two trades as usual, Wednesday on Thursday, because Wednesday on Thursday my off days. And the Wednesday trade, I have taken one trade which was winning trade, and I will show you the transaction. And I long the micro NQ. Here we are, it's 20 August, the buying one contract, and which was 75.5 point trade, and I made 149.96 bucks. And the following day, I have taken two trades. One was break-even trade, one was a losing trade. And there we see the transactions are there. 53 $53 I lost. But like this screenshot is not showing the break-even trade transaction. Okay, anyway, and that's all the trades I took the previous 2 weeks. Break-even trade and chart, and before I had entered the trade, I took this screenshot and I was watching this 60 minutes inversion fairly gap, and if we look closely, and there's a slightly little bit bearish fairly gap was formed as well, so I took short from there, and I was aiming for the previous day low, and it's a 1 hour chart, and see my trade was doing well, but I held this trade for overnight, and I don't know, like I was expecting the platform was gonna close my trade because they don't allow the whole trades for overnights. So yeah, in the morning I took this screenshot for the next morning, and it comes really close to my target, but it just to take this swing low and didn't reach that the previous day low, and just bounced back. So yeah, that's the trade. It's the 14th or 13th trade on Wednesday. I've taken this trade. We see the pink, the shaded area. That's a 60-minute fair value gap. I didn't put the 60-minute charts. I'm sorry. And there's a 50-minute inversion fair value gap, and I pretty much shorted from there. Once the previous candle they closed below this and outside to the short the market. So there we go, and this trade didn't last long. It was so cute trade. Personally, I didn't expect the market would trade this fast this morning, because in the afternoon there was the FOMC, the meeting minutes, the high impact news event. So I was thinking in the morning session the market would be the less the volatile. So yeah, and that's the one winning trade. So even though this trade was a winning trade, I was a bit frustrated because I cancelled my take profit order in order to maximize my profit, but somehow it wasn't cancelled, so it just hit my take profit order and here. So I was like a bit frustrated. Anyway, that's what it is. Sometimes we make money, and at the same time we can be frustrated as well. Okay, and there is the transaction of the trade, the 20th, one winning trade, this trade. Okay, that's all for today, guys. And thanks for watching my video. And I'll see you in the next video.